To start preparation of a flooring installation, we need part A and part B, both with male locks facing outwards. First two pieces that we'll join is A locking into B, and this will give you two locks on the outside, males facing out. So now we are ready to start our first installation program. Part A and part B will be locked in, and this will give us a straight line. We're using a festal tool to just draw our straight line, which will give us a straight cut from point to point. So setting the festal across part A and part B. So now we've set the festal tool, we will mark it with a pencil to get a straight line. Using either a festal tool or a drop saw, this will give you a similar cut. So now we have our pieces ready to start our first row of installation. And we're going to measure up this to give us our first prep cut at 900 mil. At 900, this will give us our beginning of the installation to repeat the 3 cuts. So now we're ready to install. We will measure the room equally, so we'll take the full measurement of this room. We have equally 3.3 meters. The room measured at 3.3 meters. We divide the 3.3 by the total of the first pieces of 900. We have 3.66. This gives us 3 equal pieces of herringbone to start laying the room. We minus the 0.66 and we divide by 2, which gives us 3.3 distance from there to here. It will be equal on both sides of the room. So now we're ready to start our laying. Taking the first piece, which will be part B. B's will always continue to be laid. So if you join B with B, that's B, laid again. We can continue to move to the next triangle and join B again. Keeping the male lock system always onto the outside. So using a knocking block and a hammer, we will lock the 2 pieces firmly together. And now we have a locked joint. Grabbing part A now to continue laying. As per the instructions, it will be part A, part B. So commencing with part A. And continuing into the next row, we join part A. And continuing again to the 3rd row using part A. This will give you a continuation of the pattern and herringbone, easy to install. Okay, the advantage of having herringbone, you can have the single pattern installation or you can do a double plank installation, which is 2 pieces A, 2 pieces B. So here we have 2 pieces A against 2 pieces B. So 2 A's together, forming a double pattern herringbone. Very simple and easy to install.